you're righty. Let's try some more Leetcode. I'm kind of tired, but we're gonna try to press on. 1356. It's considered an easy, interesting. Bits is something that I'm not particularly good at. Let's see. You're given an integer array. Sort the integers in the array in ascending order. Okay. So regular sort from bottom to top by the number of ones in their binary representation, and in case of two or more integers have the same number of ones, you have to sort them in. Right. This is considered an easy, but I forgot how to do like all that jazz. Are they all considered unique values? Or we're not guaranteed any uniqueness. This would high key stump me, since I don't work with bits, but we should probably learn, right? Because my thought process right now this might be cheating. Is create a lambda function which is a comparator. Compare the bits between the two values. Whichever is less, return true. Because I think whatever's the less than sign, then you would get it to the left. If they so happen to be equal, then wow, I spaced out there. Then compare the values. Then use the stud sort function, right? With the lambda at the end, right? That's my current thought process. This might be considered cheating. But even then, I still don't know this part. Comparing the bits between the two values, I don't know. I make it sound easy. And it probably is, to be honest. I just forgot how to do that. So I also forgot how to do the function. What do we do? Comp. And then we'll do int. B. Now we can do this. So again, I make it sound easy, but I don't know how to do it. How do I abstract the bits? Because I know 8 has 3 ones, 4 has 2 ones. Wait, no, 4? No, 3 has 2 ones, 4 has only one. Yeah. Oh, 8 has 1 as well, I forgot. I'm spreading false information. My bad. So let's look at some. Let's look things up, right? Since I'm gonna give it a buck. I don't know it that well. Okay, we're gonna do this. How to let me in a binary number. What the hell is this, bro? Bro. I have no idea what that means. It's like, looks like I do right shift though. But I don't know how to get the end. Looks like math. Yeah, it does. Oh, I have an idea. So that actually made me think about something. Brett, dude, I'm getting my ass kicked. Int. We're gonna do count ones. we're gonna get n and num. Right. And I guess while I shouldn't. Yeah, this should be a constant. I shouldn't change the value for that. So int val is equal to num. I don't know if this doesn't feel like it's the most efficient, but it's what I thought about without fully looking at the solution. While val is greater than 0, we're gonna do and then int answer, which is equal to 0. Oh. Yes, Brent. Yes, Leetcode do be kicking my ass, boy. I am currently doing this easy question. It's off of the Leetcode contest 20, the bi-weekly. So yeah. It has to do with bits, and I'm not the greatest with bits, and I'm cheating. I'm cheating because I'm gonna use the sort function, which I don't know if it's intended, but yeah. It's probably not intended. I'd probably do it without it eventually. Give me a second. Give me a second. This bothers me. So what about 0? We do if val and 1, yeah, if that's true, then equal, then we simply just do answer plus plus, and then no matter what, we do val by 1. We do a right operator shift. And that should count the bits. So what happens is, let's say 7, for instance, right? Because 7 is like all these zeros, and at the end it's 1 1 1. If we do a AND operation, so it's like all these zeros for the value of 1. So let me just make it more clear. This is 7. This is 1. It'll be 1 at the end. If we do this AND operation, this will return true. Alright, and we keep, and then once we do essentially a right shift, we'll do all this, and it'll be at the end 1 1, because we essentially just shifted everything to the right, and that last one gets deleted, and then we keep doing this. And it will return true. And if it returns true, that means we counted the number of ones in the bits, because we're basically asking it to for the last bit. I think that's how it works. Oh shit! Actually, don't know how it works. Alright, let's look at the. Ah shit. Let's do bit operator one more time. Having and let's just do. It would only return the value, which is going to be 0 or 1. Yeah, because we're only doing the last value. Midnight Simon. Ah, what's up, Midnight Simon? And Jojo, dude, hey, chill. We love to cheat in this channel. All right, guys. And thank you. Yeah, I think the main gist of it is trying to figure out comparing the bits. So I think this should work. Yeah. Oh. And then we do the right shift. Yeah. And then int, and then return answer on this one. Right. In this one, we simply we'll do 2 counts. Int a count, which is going to be count. Oh my god. Count ones a, and then int. Granted, I forgot how to do a lambda, but we're gonna see if I did it right. Without checking the interwebs. Okay. If a count is equal to b count, then return a less than b. And then if not, then we just return, a count less than b count. Yeah. And then we just do a simple std sort from array begin. What the hell? Dude, my whole computer just froze, and I don't know why. I have literally no idea why. I see that I'm still streaming. I dropped some frames. Oh, that's great. That's perfect. You guys still hear me? I feel bad. And that should be able to return array. Hopefully I didn't lose people. I probably lost people. I'm not gonna front. That's fair. It's fair if I did that. Is this not? Am I not doing this right? So this is for sure. Val is equal to that. So, and then we have number function. Oh, C++. This is it. I have what's it called? Rust in my brain. Yeah. All right, there we go. This cannot. Right. Because it needs these. Wait. Actually, what happened actually? Has some compiler bugs. Let me read it. Ah, right. I did forget to actually return it. So many bugs. Alright, fine. We're going to... Oh. I see the problem, actually. That's the problem. And we'll put that there. Ah. Is that the... After 20 bugs later, finally, we did it, guys. That should work. Leets. Took too long. Hi. Hello. Okay, so let's see how other people did it. Cause I'm actually quite annoyed for a couple reasons. I forgot how to compare. Compare bits and figuring out how many number of 1 bits there are. And then secondly, I forgot how to do a lambda in C++, so that means I'm out of shape for sure. Inflections. Brian Kernighan's algorithm. Interesting. Alright. Hilarious. So this one basically did the same thing. Yeah. Same logic, except for they have some... I don't know what that function is. But seems like it does that. Ah, nice. Ah, this is basically what I did. Oh, nice. Well, no, it's not. Clear the least significant... This might be faster. It seems like it's minus is the 1 or something. Not too... You do an AND operation to minus 1 of itself. Oh, wow. So what happens there? That's actually interesting. So it's actually kind of fast too, seems like. So let's say we have 8 and we're trying to compare it to 7, because that's what's happening right there, because he does num, compares it to itself, num minus 1. Yeah, so this has like basically 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4. Oh, I lied. It's this one. Right, 0 1 2 3. And then 3 through 7, yeah, right. And then it compares it to, all right, yeah, that makes sense actually. Took me a while. And then 1 1 1, right? If you're doing it and, you basically make it back to 0 at this point. This goes to 0, and then you just stop, because it removes this guy, this 1, and that's how many there are when you do the count. Oh, that's clever. Yeah, that's Interesting. Yeah. Okay, let's move forward, guys. All right, 1357. Oops. Let's quit. 1357. Wait, do I need pictures? No pictures, right? Oh, we have to make a class. Nice. Okay, there's a supermarket that is frequented by many customers. The problems solved at the supermarket are represented as two parallel integer arrays. Okay, it's kind of like a map. So we're guaranteed that they're going to be the same size. I'd be surprised if we weren't. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so when a customer is paying their bill is represented as two parallel integer arrays, product and amount. What am I reading? Product, and then the jth product they purchase has an ID of product J. Amount J is how many they bought. Ah, okay. So we should have amount equal to that, right? Yeah. So they're all equal to each other. Prices, products, and amount. Okay. The supervisor decided to go have a sale. Every nth customer paying for their groceries will be given a percentage discount. The discount amount is given by discount. Okay. Okay. So some value there where they would be given. Okay, so we're given like it ranges from 0 to 100. Okay. It seems straightforward. I don't know if I'm really understanding this. Okay, so we got cashier. This initializes the product and prices. And then you have a get bill. Get bill of and this is the input? 1212. Wait. What am I? Oh, this one. So yeah, give me 500, and then cashier. Wait, what is this? Okay. So these are just the product values. It's not in the same order. Okay, gotcha. So it's fair. Okay. So 3 and 7. Okay. Alright, so we basically want this as a map, since this is staying consistent, and then we iterate through the vector to get the value, and then multiply it. And then we have to just keep track of like the number of customers that come in. That's essentially it. I wish this was, let me see if this is formatted better on here. Yeah. It's kind of like getting squished. Yeah, it's 500 because we bought 2 2s and 1 1. So 100 and then 2 200s is 400, and then we get 500. Yeah. And then where's these? So the third customer. Okay. So we just do the modules. This is just kind of like simple implementation. I don't think there's any like algorithm tricks to it, since each customer comes in with different items. You just gotta be able to have a good data structure, I believe, and that's fair enough. So the data structures that I'm thinking of right now is int n, and this is going to associate with how many nth customers there are, and the int discount associated with the discount value. And then we're gonna have a hash map to map the products to the prices, just so we can have O of 1 lookup. Sorry for taking so long to understand that question. I'll just call it price lookup. And then we can have another one, which is going to be int total customers. And I think that's all we need. We just need total customers. And then how many operations are we? We should actually do this. Oop. We should make it a double. Yeah. That should be chill. There's 10 to the 4 operations, so we should be fine. So we want int. Yeah, I'm not gonna do. I forgot what it was called, but the colon definitions. That's fine. I'm just gonna do it in here. It's not gonna save any time. So int. No, what am I doing? So mn is equal to that. M discount is equal to 100 minus. We're going to explicitly cast it. Discount. And all that's going to be divided by 100. Give me a minute. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. That should be the discount, right? Yeah. And then we're going to do a simple this thing, for loop, I less than, and we're guaranteed that they're the same size, so it's safe to do this. Oh, I forgot to do the daily. Oh, snap. Yeah, I need to start doing the daily. Gotcha. It's using that one word again. Oh, also I forgot to. I'm so focused on Leetcode since I'm like kind of tired. Yeah, I'll do the daily right for this one. Oh, the colon definitions. I'm not sure if you know about it, but basically, it's this thing. You have a colon in your constructor, and then you can willy-nilly like define the variables. So I could have done this, at least for the discount stuff, like m discount. Let's just say it's just discount, and it would have implicitly casted to a double, but yeah, I like to make sure I'm explicitly doing it. And plus you don't get compile errors or not errors, but warnings. It's also good practice to explicitly cast so you can tell other programmers that I meant to do this. Yeah, it's just another way to define it. I wouldn't be able to do it up with the unordered map though, unfortunately. I would have to put that inside the curly brackets. Price lookup of products. Product size is going to equal to prices I. Yeah. And I think that's it. That's all I need for the constructor. Yeah. Yeah. Now we just need to do for int I is equal to 0. Oh, I should also have we should do int answer is equal to 0, and then we should do, oops, one thing I did forget to do is total customers is equal to 0. And then we do total customers plus plus. And then we're gonna do double discount is equal to modulus 3 ideally I just make this wrap around by itself, but I'm just gonna let it fly. Modulus 3 and make this equal, if it's equal to 0, then we apply m discount. If not, we just apply 1. I guess, oop. I need to be better at oh, yeah, okay. To be honest, it was just you being dyslexic. Sorry, I've been too focused. I need to be more involved in chat. My apologies, Dev God. So it's like type safety. What's it? The static cast. That's the type safety. Like, I guess it's not really safety. Well, no, it is. Because if you're explicitly saying something, then you're chilling. But the semicolon thing is like it's just being able to define it in a different way, and it's not in the curly brackets. That was just I forgot what it's called. I don't know which one you're referring to exactly. But yeah. No. Colon is this. Oh, because I did say like we can do m discount. So I'm implicitly doing that, so the compiler decides that it would become a double. And you could do this, but I forget. There's like different castings. And I forget which one this is casting. Types of casting in C++. I think static cast is the safest one. Oh yeah, this is C-style casting, which I don't know what type of casting it does. If I got quizzed on it, I would have forgot. Yeah, it's considered old and unsafe because it performs no checks or searches. I see. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, there's these other ones that I can't tell you the difference. I remember doing this one. Hang on. Sorry, I'm not one to be able to teach. Wait, let me make sure. Was I right on that? Oh yeah. Okay, so I was right. Undo. Ah, okay. Yeah, if I'm implicitly saying that, yeah. Can't you just do the data type method name? I don't know what that method name is. I guess it's called data type. So, I keep getting distracted. So I is less than product dot size I plus plus. Then we simply do answer plus equal, and int is not the answer. What are you doing, boy? I guess I made prices integer. It's fine. No worries. It's not a huge deal. I'll implicitly cast that. So this one we just simply do and price lookup of product I times amount I. And then we simply do a return answer times discount. Also, one thing I fucked up on. SJ. I think that should work. Yeah, static cast double is a safer way. Typically use static cast. There's different use cases for casting. The reinterpret cast, I remember doing it whenever I was messing with interpreting a value differently. So everything's like a 32-bit. Like all the values are 32-bit. And if I reinterpret the cast from a like int 32-bit to some other 32, like a float 32-bit, the representation would be different. And I forgot how it was done. But basically we oh, the reinterpretation was, it was a floating value and we reinterpreted it to 4 unsigned integer 8-bit values. And use reinterpret cast to do something like that. I'm not the best explainer for that because I'm not really sure what I'm talking about, especially with casting like that. Like if I got quiz, I'm getting my ass beat. But yeah, there's different casting. Oh, what am I doing? No. I wanted to write so I can get my auto formatted. But yeah, this one wasn't too bad. Just a couple typos here and there. Uh-oh, I lied to y'all. Where did I mess up? Huh? How arrogant am I? Oh, I'm stupid. It's because I hard coded. I don't know why I did a magic number. I have the number. It's supposed to be MN. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because the value is actually 3 here, but that was embarrassing, guys. Yeah. So reinterpret cast is like reinterpreting the actual bit representation of the values, I believe. Don't quote me on this. Right. Okay. Yeah, that was a simple implementation. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh yeah, let me do the daily. Well, let's attempt to do the daily. I saw the title of the submission you gave. Yeah, it's unfortunate. And we've solved. That was our second one, right? Pretty sure that was our second one. Let me look back. Yeah, I think that was. I don't think I did anything on 19. No. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, I was at jump game, but I didn't solve it. Jump game 4. Anyway, I'll try the 1358 soon. All right, so let's see. Let's look at this one. Oh yeah, because you program it in JavaScript, I forgot. Or at least that's what I've seen your solutions to be in JavaScript. Okay, so you're given a string S and a robot that currently holds an empty string T. So S and T are both empty. Okay. Remove the first character of a string. Okay. Remove the last character of a string. Okay, so we're returning this paper. As far as I can tell. Because we keep going. Here. And then we basically remove this last letter and keep going for the lexicographically smallest string. I actually never knew how to pronounce this word. It just, I'm always annoyed when seeing this word. And this week has been just straight up, this word pops up every time this week. Okay. I think I understand. Maybe I don't actually. Hold on. It looks like we have to use a stack of some kind though. For T, like we could use T, like the stack to represent T, because that's the way it looks like. The last thing that gets appended, you append to P. But we need to because obviously we want A to go first. But that happens at the end. How do we determine yeah. I see. You use Python, JavaScript, type safety. Yeah. If it makes you feel better, I program in C++, and I think my type safety is trash too. Yeah. You gotta draw it out. Interesting. I refuse to draw it out. So I think this one's a pretty good example because they're doing a lot of weird things here. So we have to know We're gonna have to know the the smallest character. We have to know the smallest character. So it has to be like some 2-pass. Yeah. These always trip me up. It pisses me off, man. Oh yeah, DevGod, I forgot to respond to this last time. How do you delete without putting whatever you deleted in your buffer? Yeah. So if I had a vector of just a vector of ints, and then these are all just like I don't know, C's. I can have this as 26, and this represents the whole alphabet for oh wait, this reminds me of stuff. We can have this as frequency. Oh, I think you're helping me out. But the way that I would go into it is if like pretend I have an int I or a character. Pretend I have a character like C minus A. This will get access to the third element, or the index 2, because A is index 0, B is index 1, and C is index 2. And the way that they do this is because these at the end of the day are like represented by some value, like these chars. I forgot what it's called right now. Char values to integers. Because like, there's some like no, that's not what I'm thinking of. The ASCII value. That's what it is. Just took me a minute. Where'd you go? Right. So it's all about the ASCII values. So they start 60 something. Oh no, that's the capital letters. Starts at 97 for A. Right. So this is represented by an A. Like 97 is an A. Yeah, so if I did C minus A, it would be 99 minus 97, and that would be index 2. Similarly, if I did Z minus A, then I can do some pretty cool tricks to be 122 minus 97, which is 25. Yeah. So that's what's happening in the background. So this actually might help me. To do so for our first pass, we figure out the frequency of each letter. Okay. I'm having kind of a eureka moment. Let's do back. And then I think the answer or the output we want for this one would be A, C, B. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. And the reason why, so we have P equal this, S equals to this, and then T is equal to this. Oop. The reason why, do it back, all right. So we take the first letter, put it to B, but if we did a first pass, we know what the smallest letter is. So we get A right here. And since it's an A, or the minimum character, or a minimum character, we automatically push that thing here. Yeah. And then we keep going, because we don't have the minimum character yet. Now, how to code this is a different question. Oh, thanks, Yunji. Oh, you subscribed, Yunji. Thanks for the subscription. Oh, I actually didn't understand what the thing went. Ah, dude, long time no see, right? How's your Oh, you just finished school. Yeah, you just had to finish school since it's June. Dude, when do you start your full-time job again? I forgot. And then you have this A, and you start appending everything since S is empty. Keep going, and C here. Oh, thanks for the subscription, by the way. I really appreciate you, mate. Yeah. So I'm very convinced that T is a stack. I am convinced it's a stack. Now everything else, I'm not really sure how to do exactly. I guess I could do this, because I'm trying to figure out how to program it, like what the call stack is doing. And also like how to format it. Again, these strings are a good weakness of mine. It's a bad weakness mostly, but yeah. Okay, so strange. The other day I used doing going to copy paste. Now. Ah, okay, so you're using some underscore to help you do that, but now it's not working. Interesting. I just graduated. My full-time starts this Monday. Ah, I see. The weekend is here, man. Oh, wow. Oh, dude, Yunji, why didn't you take a break, brother? You gotta take a break. Because once you start that full-time job, there's no breaks, man. There's no breaks. You gotta... Damn, dude. But I'm happy that you have a full-time offer and you're thriving, it sounds like. And again, thank you for the subscription. I really appreciate it. The Leetcoding, oh dude, I'm getting my ass beat, boy. Just like always. Let's see, what's my oh, I did the Leetcode contest last week. I'm guaranteed it went down. Oh. Well, it went down by 31 points. Okay. That's whatever. Yeah, because I haven't done Leetcode in a while. I've been slacking a lot. Yeah. But I've been doing a lot better. Yeah, getting like a couple submissions in today. I've been doing like probably like around 4 or 5 problems this past week for every day, but the days that I have been doing it at least. So we're getting up there. Oh, I wanted to show you something. I've been working on this like financial dashboard thing, and I need to do a better job. I need to figure out a way to not mess with the crashes. Oh yeah, yeah. One of them's a one of them was an easy to guarantee that. And yeah, I don't think the other one was that hard either. But yeah, so this is like a financial dashboard. There's a couple things I need to do in the back end, aka save like metadata of the stocks. But basically, we have all these stocks, and let's use Apple for case. And yeah, then we can do like year to date, get the candlesticks, look at the candlesticks and whatnot. Last year, so we had a whole year view of it. Last 2 years, and then we have the simple moving average. So it's just moving average, and there's also exponential moving average of like the past 12 days, past 20, 26. I do need to get a legend because it's kind of confusing once there's like too many of them. Did a bit of vibe coding, did a bit of not vibe coding and whatnot. And then the bottom is like the volume metric that it's been doing, how much volume there is, which I'm not sure how to indicate right now. Interesting. Yeah, and then we get the relative strength. Costco is on a run right now, man. Huge run. They're going strong, brother. Yeah. Oh, underscore DD, nice. So it looks like the underscores for the none. Gotcha. Gotta do the you have to do the quote first. Oh, you still get the rotisserie chickens even after they changed their packaging? Oh man, dude, I haven't gotten the rotisserie chicken since then. Interesting. Okay. Let me actually try that. Let's see, okay. So let me do a quote. Oh, sorry. Let me get a normal mode. Quote. Oh, I see. It's right here. It says a lot of words, but it kind of doesn't do anything. Let me paste. Do nice. So let me do that one more time. Let me do. Oop. Let me undo that. Let me just do the next one. Okay, never mind. This is actually very foreign. Let me paste. Oh, still ASCII. Nice. Okay, let's undo. Let's go undo that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude, I like it a lot. I plan on doing, because I have also, I think, I forget what I have it at. It's rather the past 3 weeks or the past 2 weeks. But I have like more data, like more fine data, like every 5 minutes of what's happening to a stock and whatnot. And I'm not gonna compete with those day traders. I'm not competing with the day traders at all. I'm doing like more like long-term investment stuff. So I'm gonna try to have like some trading strategies implemented where later on like you can work on like past data of like when does it think to like buy and sell, and like how much would you make and whatnot. So yeah. It's still in the works. It's still in the works. I don't know what Sam's Club is. See, this is why I want the metadata to like, because this is Costco. I know that, and then you have Tesla. Yeah. So it's kind of cool. And this is all hosted on a Pi, on a Raspberry Pi. I actually forgot Microsoft. MCST? MST? MSFT, that makes sense. Yeah. It's actually not doing too bad with the relative changes. Okay. Anyway, let me get back to the questions. Okay. But I've never had Sam's Club rotisserie chicken, but I bet it's good. Sam's Club is clutch, man. There's a lot of Sam's. I wish Sam's Club was a little bit more accessible. Yeah, there's some places that don't have it. Okay, the sad thing is I finally learned about getting my own lazy plugins for my init Vim, but the Vim golf thingy I wanted to play doesn't look like it works. Vim golf thingy, I don't know what that is. Yeah. 50-year-old hold and boot. Yeah, dude. Yeah, always don't bet against the ETFs, man. Don't bet the ETFs. Oh, right. So, I should look up Walmart, not Sam's Club. You love PIS? Yunjay, what does that mean? I love PIS. Voo. Always Voo better? I'm not too familiar with all the ETFs. I'm not familiar with stocks in general. That's one of the reasons why I'm trying to learn this. Oh, Raspberry Pis. I read piss at first, so that's why I forgot. Okay, anyway, I need to focus on this. Yeah. So it's all hosted there, and I plan to like put it to the public, and like only probably maximum 20 people would be able to use it. There'll be a lot of network errors. Because if 20 people are like just trying to get into the pie, oh man. I have to learn how to cache things and stuff. Am I writing Pi-hole? No, I'm not writing Pi-hole. I've heard of Pi-hole. Is that the ad blocker one? Yeah, that's the ad blocking. Yeah. I heard good things about it since it's like local. Are you running Pi-hole in your network? I'm thinking about doing it. But I mean, I already have Brave, so. What's Unbound? That one I don't know. Unbound. I have no idea what this means. This is saying a lot of words to me. I recognize that they have words on this page, but I know what some of these words mean. That's smart. So they don't. This is for smart device. Ah, gotcha. So it helps make sure that it's safe somehow. I'm actually confused. What does Unbound do? Oh, interesting. Cause like so. So pretend I have an Alexa, like an Echo. There might be some unnecessary connections happening, and it blocks it, and then only use the only necessary ones. Is that what it does? Is that what I'm getting at? Question mark? Not sure if that was a good example. Okay, I need to really focus on this question because I have yet to actually do. So what am I doing here? Okay, so we're gonna do one pass through and find the frequencies of each letter. Right. Yeah, okay, so that's one pass through. Then during that pass through, we find the minimum character. Okay, and then we gotta do something else after that. So we have a minimum character. We know the frequencies of all of them. For loop the string again. For loop s again, and then we gotta do stuff. Okay, initialize stack t. I have a Roku TV that tries to ping analytics every few seconds, but I guess okay, so I'm assuming Alexa pings for analytics. Okay, I will be setting this up soon, actually. I'll be setting this up. Not now, but eventually. So we initialize stack t. So what data structures do we have? Let's go with that. We have a stack t. Let's say we have a map. Map frequencies. Because I'm not sure if I want to use a vector, especially when looking things. Oh snap. Okay, we might actually want this to be. Might be a vector. And I'll explain in a bit why. Do we need anything else? I mean, besides string answer. Yeah, so we for loop. Push into stack. If stack top is equal to minimum. Oh, we need a minimum character. Yeah. Char min character. Yeah. Min character. Then I guess it's wow actually. Oh, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Min character pop. Yeah. And then we also subtract letter frequencies. And then we're gonna have like I guess another while if like letter is equal to 0. The minimum character. Yeah, something like this. While the letter of character is equal to 0, then we do like a min char plus plus. We keep trying to increase the letter and right. Yeah, we keep going. We have to keep going because we have to find the one that doesn't have a frequency. Oh shit, but then when do we do this? There's some ordering issue that I have right now. Okay, I don't know the order yet. But be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Be right back. Sorry guys. I actually forgot that I need to I needed to what's it called? Feed my dog. My bad. I see. Oh, you can look at the network size better? Nice. Okay, so I think I have a general outline of what's going on here. And to answer. Oh man, I'm kind of breathing hard. I'm out of shape. I'm definitely out of shape. Okay, so funny enough, I'm gonna be using that vector because it would be easier to find out what the minimum character is. We only care about the minimum character that we have left as well. Because I don't care about that B, right? When there's a backa, right? I don't care about the B. I care about the ones that we have left. Right. Because if I had like ZZB, I want that B first, no matter what. So it'd be like A, B, ZZ, CB, right? If it was like this right here, ZZB. Once I got those two A's out the way, then I want B, ZZ, CB. Because there's one left. So this subtract letter frequencies, you do it before that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I think I want to use a vector then. It's harder to find the smallest letter in a map, at least. The vector seems the simplest. I'm not sure if there's a better way. But it's a maximum of 26 operations. Because you can only go for so far in the list. You can only go up to 26. So it'd be like O of n plus 26. Which essentially is just O of n. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So for const char C in S, we simply do frequency of C minus A is equal to, or just plus plus. Yeah, and that should be the frequencies for all the letters. Yeah. Oh, yes. And then we'll have char min char. Wait, is this an actual thing? Is min char a thing? Just make sure I'm not. There's no such thing as min char, right? Okay, that it just knows how I program. That's crazy. I wonder if I can. I wouldn't be surprised. So if I wonder if I can do this. Min char is equal to, let's see. Okay, this is something I want to do. So let's do a stack of chars. I will call T, and then we'll do answer. And we'll do let's see if this works. Out of min char. Let's see if this compiles and works. I wonder if I can do that. Ah! Oh. I forgot to return answer. I mean, it didn't yell at me. Oh wow, it worked. It worked. Got A for all 3 cases. Nice. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we did the first step, the pass through, to find the frequencies. So now we need to for loop the string again. This is where I'm not really sure what to do. Not that, but T dot, is it insert? Push? Yeah, it's a push. I think it's a push. Yes. T dot push C. And then we do frequency of C minus minus. Yeah. And then we're gonna do a while. What's my while statement again? While the frequency of min char is equal to 0, we simply do a min char plus plus. Yeah. And then we're gonna do one more thing. We need to make sure min char does not equal to z. Yeah. If any of these conditions break, then yeah. The reason why we're doing this is so we don't over-index. We don't go out of bounds. That's something I just now noticed. Yeah. This is hurting my brain, bro. Okay, so what did I say I was gonna do next? So we subtracted letter frequencies. We only care about the ones that are still in the string S. We don't care about the ones that are in T now. Yeah. So while T dot top what's a better condition than this? Is equal to min char. Oh yeah, while T is not empty. I hate these questions, bro. I struggle so hard on these. My brain is hurting, bro. Yeah, You do answer plus equal, yeah, t dot top. And then you do a t dot pop. Yeah. And then it looks like we're going to be left with a couple stragglers. Yeah. Oh, well, t's not empty. Excuse me. We'll do a answer plus equal to t dot top and t dot pop. Oh, and we don't need that. No. And I think that's it. No, it's not submit. Let's test it first. We have to test. We always have to test. Okay. Whatever I did, I was wrong. I don't know what I did wrong. Test the tests. There has to be something in here. Okay, let's just break it one at a time. I'm sort of positive it's in here. Yeah. And just to make sure, stack push, right? Yeah, it's push and pop. Okay. So while I'm actually bewildered right now. Okay, we have to go through the call stack on this or something. Cause this is 26 letters. Z with Z. Right, okay. Let's do the simple example. S is equal to BBA. And we got P is equal, S is equal, oh, oops, and T is equal, right? I guess we can do this. We become BA. Okay, let's go through this call stack. So we know we're chill here. So when we get to here again, so we push. Okay, we push B into T. Right, we push B into T. Ah! Took me a while. I didn't index this properly. I didn't index any of these properly. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good now. Except for this part. Yeah. That took a while. Sorry about that. Oh, let's go. We got 2 out of the 3. CAB. Huh. 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 I see. So something. So it matters by operations, it looks like. Because all these have A at the end, except for the middle one. So what happens, let's test this case out. With my logic, BAC. So BAC. Oh god. We push B into it. Yeah. And we push A into it. It's because we add before. So do we need to do this one first? We do this minimum character before we do this guy. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. Oops. And then pasting it. And down. I think it has to do with the order of things. Yeah. Instead of, yeah. Oh, still wrong. Oh no, out ACB. Ah, I see. Ah, shit, we have to do a weird check. Anyone got suggestions? Anyone got suggestions? Cause you cause we shit. Any and all suggestions will be accepted. Because the logic that I have now is so we have BA, and then A gets into it, and then I push C into it, which I shouldn't push C yet. Let's see. So when I do the frequency, it matters a bit. So I need to figure out the minimum character. Oh, just the top value though. Ooh. No. an idea. So so I'm gonna have this here, but what we're going to do next is this. Less than or equal to min char. Because it doesn't have to equal min char, it just has to be less than or equal to min char. Yeah, let's go! That was like a just. It's crazy how that was a simple fix. Just that little comparison helped a lot. Oh no, my water bottle. We did it, guys. It looks like it's a pretty efficient solution, at least. Especially for one when it says 44 milliseconds. Must be hard to... You did it 0 milliseconds, huh? Nice! We did it! Let's go! We have 3 solved. Okay, so... What are... Oh, what's the hints? Okay, so these are the same things that we kind of analyzed. Took me a while to analyze it. I wouldn't pass that interview for show. Okay, nice. Less than or equal. Right. I just found that out. Count the frequencies of all characters in S. Use a stack. Yeah. This is basically what we want to do in a much more formal way. Oh, is this 26 times? Oh. Well, unless... Oh, interesting. Oh, he does this weird thing. Cause he does the same thing as me, the stack. Oh. Okay. There's some inefficiencies in there, but it's show. So he pushes it, subtracts it. I see. Oh, okay, so there was an easier way. If you already keep track of the minimum character there, that's a slight efficiency, and there's only n plus 26. I feel like this is the inefficient part, but either way, it's still even. Right. So. A lot of cats, bro. It's a running meme. But yeah, we did it, guys. We did it. I think that's what made mine pretty fast. Weird, oddly enough though, he got the faster solution. I felt like his was slower. Huh. That's interesting. It's actually kind of weird to me, but okay. Let me... Okay, I got slower. Never mind. I thought it was gonna be better. Okay, we just keep getting worse and worse, guys. So we're gonna quit while we're ahead there. I'll be right. I'm gonna get my water bottle. Alright. Okay, guys. Let's... I don't know if I can do this one. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know if I can do that one. 1358. Oh, this seems very... See, this feels very backtracky like. What if you can do like some DPness? Actually, I can't really tell what the solution here would be. It's like a sliding window, but not a sliding window. But I've seen something similar to this before. I'm pretty sure I've never done this question. Oh, I have done this question. How did you do it? How did past me do it? I guess that means we're good then, right? It's pretty simple. Like, you just... But it's like this, I was hoping to do a sliding window, but it's not as simple as that. Oh, well, I guess it could be, now you think about it. Because if you get this one, you do only one. But if you do a size 4, then you have to add 2 to it. And if you get to size 3 or 5, then you add some number to it, I guess. 3? Yeah, you add 3 to it. And this one you add 4, because there should be 4 in there. AKA, oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 7, 9, 10, yeah. Oh, okay, so that's probably what I've noticed. Yeah, so you do some sliding window approach and then... Oh shit. And then you have like some counter probably. Of like the rest of the solution. Wait, what? Did you clipped me? What? Hold up.
What if you can do like some deep penis? I can't even tell what the solution would be.
All right. All right. I'll make sure not to add the word "ness" into as a suffix of DP. Oh, okay. So this is like so you do some sliding window, and whatever the whatever the first solution is. Yeah, this will work. I think this will work actually, because if you just go to the end. Yeah. So let's do this more formally. It's with what I was saying earlier with like the length of them, because you know it's A, B, and C. So if it's of length 5, you know that there's like 3 ways to cut it. Yeah, it should be like there should be some like 3 ways to cut it to get to ABC again. Yeah, similarly with when it gets to 6, but once it gets to 3, that's the initial one, so that should be 1. Yeah. Why'd you do that to me, man? Why did you do that to me? That wasn't nice. It's okay. Oh. Music was hella loud, boy. Okay, so we're gonna do a sliding window where the size affects it. So trying to figure out how I because I want like yeah, we might have to do like some frequency, so we add like a frequency table of A, B, and C. I guess we don't actually need a sliding window. We just keep iterating through the whole thing. Okay, let's see. Let's go through some edge cases then, right? I wanna. So like, if the input is again BCAA. the output. 2, 3. Should be 3. 1, 2. It's just 2 actually. Oh no, it's. Should be 2, right? I'll go to. Oh yeah. This one we want. Ah, you. That's how you get through it. Oh, nice. So the last one's 2. So interesting. So it's 1 each. So I shouldn't use the length of it. This is kind of coming back to me, but I don't remember this question that well. I kind of don't want to do it. I kind of want to move on, but if I can't do it again, then this is sad. Oh, I'm also getting tired. It's been 2 hours. I've only done 3 questions. That's sad. That's kind of sad. Let's see. Let's finish this. Because how do you get to 2 with this one? Alright, Dev God. You don't have to flex on me, man. Because how did you get 2 here? Oh, wait, hold up. No, my same logic still applies, actually. Wait, no, it doesn't. ABC. ABCA should give you... Oh, right. That should give you 3. ABCA will give you 3. Ah, yeah. Go to H. So ABCA gives you 3, but the other one gives you 2. Ah. On Codeforce, nice. You can finally edit your init, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, I need to do that. I actually need to do that, cause I want to do some of the things that I showed already. I want to work on this project. Again, it's messing up the connections. Something with the back end. Not too sure what it is. Feels like Kafka would help me with that change. But anyway, I have some dot and like environment variables that I don't want to be shown at all. Yeah. Oh, I don't know anything about stonks. Actually, my database is called stonks. Yeah. Don't know if that's too much information. Hopefully it's not. But I call it stonks. Yeah, because all I do is like look up like what these things are. Like I was like, oh, we need something that compares the stock to like an ETF, right? So people usually do the S&P 500. And I was like, what is that? And then they told me it's relative strength, right? How fast does the stock move compared to its like own stock value relative to the SPY, aka S&P 500? Because if I did SPY right here, it should be all ones. If I did my math right, yeah, it's all just ones. Compared to itself, it's doing great. I wonder if I have VOO. Do I have VOO? Oh, nice. I do have VOO. Oh snap! VOO is doing worse. VOO is doing worse. Who told me about VOO was better? Which one of y'all told me that? I don't know if you're still here. Blunter, if you're still here, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the general consensus is just buy into the like an ETF and just call it a day, cause like you don't know enough. You as in the typical person doesn't know enough. And Brent, I'm trading because I just want to learn about the stock market. I wanna learn about fictional. I want to call it fictional, but I want to learn about like how people play a game of who can buy at the low and sell at the high by reading charts, and don't actually contribute to anything besides, oh, let me help this company out real quick with $2. Hey Loco, what's up, mate? Long time no see, brother. Oh, I actually don't know about GameStop. What's GameStop's? Is it GM is General Motors? Ah, shoot. This is why I need the metadata of the company names and stuff. I'll be implementing that soon. GameStop symbol. That's $29 still. Interesting. Oh, GME. Oh, interesting. Somehow it rose. Oh my god, it rose in May 24, And then it was like this skyrocket. Oh my god. That thing rose, brother. You couldn't really predict that. You can't predict this, bro. Just can't predict it. Yeah. Is ETF different than NFT? Yeah. ETF is the stock trade. Exchange trade? Exchange trade and financials. ETF, exchange trade and financials, I think. Yeah. Oh, exchange traded fund. I lied to you. It's just basically it has like a percentage of all these stocks. Like the top, or for the S&P 500, the top 500 stocks. It has like some shares of that, and then like there's some like average, some type of weighted average. Dude, I've been chilling, loco. I've been getting my ass kicked on this question. I've done it once in my life, but I don't know how I did it. It's one of those questions where I don't know what I did, and I'm trying to do it without solving it. It very feels like a sliding window problem to me, but I just don't know how to add things together. I don't know about all that, man. Oh snap, bro. They bet their life on GameStop. Dude. You guys want to know something sad, bro? Crazy times. It was crazy times. I invested in Dogecoin really early. And I was up 20 grand at some point. And I saw that bitch die real quick. Where I lost a lot of money at some point. And right when I broke even, I sold. I came up with like, I think I won 30 cents. But there was a second rising that happened. And I think I would have gained 15K on the second come up if I held. But like that gave me a heart attack, bro. So yeah, it's kind of like you have a window that has ABC. You can use your index information to do some counting. Yeah. So like ABC, the 1 million A's, you could do one ABC. Loco, you feel shit now. Oh, that's not good. I think all I do is doom scroll and then do math homework. Yeah. Tragic, dude. I could have been 20 grand up. Bro, I would have been going ham on some projects if that was the case. Yeah. Oh, it never got to $1. I think it got to like a quarter. Peak price of Dogecoin. 20 cents. It's 20 cents. Yeah, this is the area where I cried a bit. It's whatever. Oh wait, no, this was the one. Was this the one? Yeah, this is the one. It was 30 cents. Okay. Oh my god, it got to 46 cents? Oh, it got to 50 cents. It got to 50 cents. Dude, I don't want to remember this, bro. I don't want to remember this. This is making me sad now. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sean. 4K is my goat. Oh, there's a 0.7. Oh, it's probably on the high. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This is what I have to say about Elon Musk. Fuck Elon Musk. Funny enough, Neuralink is hitting me up, and I don't want to work for Neuralink. Yeah. Imagine getting one Dogecoin for every daily you do. Yeah, I don't wanna look at it, bro. I'm a bad trader. Like I said, just go for the S&P 500 and you're chilling. Yeah. I'm kind of okay. I kind of don't want to do this question right now. So let's go for something else that's a bit more my style. Wait, what's this one? This looks like a graph problem to me. Given n words, each word consists of a pickup and a delivery space. Count all valid pickup delivery possible sequencers that. Okay, this is not a graphing problem. Well, this looks like a DP problem of some kind. The fuck? Hello. Here's my lovely girlfriend, guys. Yeah. Feel you. I feel you. Okay. Let's see. Not stocks related, but I use a gamble. Oh, gotcha. Oh yeah, with the lottery of like those skins, and I think I sold my skins for a total of 2K when I was 17. Oh wow, your skins would be worth 15K? That's crazy. The worst case, well, this is the way I think about it. If we made some money, we're all chilling. No, I need it. That's right. I woke up and then went onto here, so about 2 hours ago. Yeah. Worst case is you either beam ads into your brain. Yeah. The way that they're advertising to me is like, oh, we're a lean team, and it just sounds like you're understaffed and overworked.
Well, like nurses.
Yeah. Oh, that's engineering though. That's a lot of fields, to be honest. But nurses, they have to do 12-hour shifts. Well, if you're a hospital. Okay, 1385. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something that doesn't hurt my brain right now. tried to buy what the other day? You tried to buy CSGO skins the other day? Okay.
I can't see. And then I'll be out of your way.
You see this? You see this, guys? I'm just I'm a glasses cleaner, bro. That's all she see me as.
Not true. Oh, still blurry.
See? That's all she sees me. She sees me as. I can't even say it right.
My head hurts.
Just using my clothes to clean her glasses, bro.
Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on? What do you mean, hold on?
Almost
You're
done.
bothering me.
Almost done. Much better.
Let me hold on.
Much better. I can see now.
Two integers array 1 and array 2 and the integer return the number. What?
What's that thing?
What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We can do O of the n squared solution. It's pretty simple. You just go one by one and just do all of them. So this is a whatever this size is, m, and this size is n. We can do that because of the length. It's just a simple implementation. I don't know if there's a faster way. I currently don't see a faster way. Unless you sort it. Yeah. Gmod is like 5. How many channel points for me to use your clothes is
It's only me.
it's priceless. And she doesn't ask, bro. She just does it. Shout out to that one
I need to
thumbprint.
clean my glasses.
Okay.
I don't
You
have
don't-
a shirt to clean my glasses with.
There's all these clothes in your closet.
Not in this closet.
You don't have to be here to clean your glasses.
Why can't I be in here?
No, you can be in here. You don't have to be in here to. You don't have to be near me to clean your glasses. That's what I'm getting at.
He told me.
That's not a
he said
requirement.
He told you to charge me channel points.
I
'cause
should,
I
bro.
cook food for him.
She don't even watch me enough to get channel points.
Because I'm too busy sleeping. On the couch.
And the bed.
Yeah.
To migrate to the couch.
Yeah. Or I'm cooking.
Yeah. Okay, so
I live a busy life, okay?
Wait, what? Return the distance value between the two arrays.
Do you want a sandwich? Do you want my tofurkey thing?
Oh yeah.
You want my tofurkey thing?
No.
I said, do you want my tofurkey thing? You said, oh yeah.
No, the sandwich. What is this distance 2 thing?
Okay, fine. Come on, let's go make him a sandwich.
Distance value.
Do you want like 10 meters?
Yeah, sure.
No.
Like chopped up into the sandwich?
No, I'm gonna put a whole tomato. I'm just gonna
Or on the side,
a
bro.
huge ball of tomato. I'm gonna put
I wouldn't put it past you.
inside the sandwich.
I want to put it past you.
Why would I do that?
I want to put it past you that
Why
you
would I
would
waste a tomato like that?
you would put it on the side and like you want tomatoes and then just put it on
I
the
do
side.
eat it like that though.
That's what I'm saying.
But I know you don't. Like I'll cut it.
But
in
I
cube.
wouldn't put it past you.
Tired. Brush my hair. What? You go out? Okay, hold on.
I'm so confused here. What? Why is it 2? Give it 2. Return the distance value between the two arrays. What does that even mean? Just return D? Oh, okay. It's wondering where we find the. Wait, I'm so confused, bro. Is it I minus J? Dude, this isn't easy, but yet I don't understand the question.
Okay, let's go make this.
I understand that you have to do this comparison thing. Is it this value? What if there's multiple values? Okay, so let's see. This one doesn't pass any of them. Well, no, it doesn't pass this one. Cause this is 4. This 4, it passes. 4 minus. Oh wait, no, never mind. But 4 minus 6 is less than this value. Do you guys get this question? Am I... Given 2 integers array and the integer d, return the distance value between the 2 arrays. What does that even mean? Is this value defined as the number of elements array 1I such that there is not any element array 2j? Ah. So we have to find the ones that fail? That don't ever have... Okay, so yeah, so we have array 1 and 0 that don't ever pass the vibe check. That's basically what I'm gonna call it. They don't pass the vibe check, so that means we're good, right? So 100 doesn't pass the vibe check, but all these other values pass the vibe check. Yeah, all these other values pass the vibe check. So the only one that doesn't pass is 100. Okay, so who doesn't pass the vibe check is the way that I would phrase it. AKA they're not less than or equal to D. Okay. That took too long to understand. Okay. I is less than array 1 dot size, excuse me. I plus plus. And then let's do full vibe check. Equal to false. Int j is equal to 0. J is less than array 2 dot size, and we can brute force this because of the inputs. And to be honest, it's maybe sorting it out would make it faster, but probably still be like an n squared solution still, or m times n solution. Yeah. Yeah. So then we do distance is equal to stood absolute value of array 1I minus array 2j. And then if d is, if distance is less than or equal to d, vibe check is equal to true. And we could just literally break out of this one. Or no. Yes, we break out of this one. Wait. Yeah, we break out of this. And then if we do not pass the vibe check, if we don't pass the vibe check, then we do answer plus plus. Oops, I think I deleted thing. Yeah. And then we return, oops. All this is like all sorts of wax. I don't know. Return answer. That took too long to understand. Okay, never mind. Of course. How the hell did I get 8? How did I get 16? Hiya. It's because of this guy. See what I did wrong. These curly brackets, man. These curly brackets. I see what's the issue. That's what confused me. There we go. Nice, nice. Let's do a little bit, some formatting. Let's go! We did it, guys. It took a while. Mostly it's because of this part right here. But anyway. Oop. Let's make sure. I want to look if there's a. Have I done that question before? I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Basically. Oh wait, no. Let's see. What's the? Oh, they did binary. Yeah. You sort it, and then you do binary search. Oh, interesting. Interesting. There's a binary search solution. I felt like sorting it would have been better. But anyway, so sort integers by the power of that. 1387. 1387. Oh! 4 solved. Let's go. mediums, 2 easies. Tragic. Should be able to do this faster. I do be getting distracted pretty easily. Okay, so the power of an integer x is defined as the number of steps needed to transform x into 1. Okay. In the interval low high by the power. Interesting. This is essentially the. Well, let me look at the inputs. Okay, yeah. So this is. Okay. This is literally. Ah, shit. Was it 19? No, it's 20. It's literally this question. It's literally just this question. Hey, Jay Spiffy! I'm big chillin', man. Big chillin'. I'm getting my ass kicked by a couple of questions in Leetcode, but this question, sorting integers by number of 1 bits, it's literally this question, except for you have different rule sets. That's all it is. And then you just return the kth value, which I guess it shouldn't be like a huge thing. Okay, this one should be kind of similar. I think it would be kind of similar. So we have how are you doing, Jay Spiffy? Long time no see, brother. Oh, someone subscribed to me today, and I'm like super stoked about that. I didn't know what it meant. Well, I've seen it before, but it's been a while since I've seen it. So I was like, oh, it's not, someone followed me. That's great. Or like, not follow my channel. It said something to my channel, and I'm like, oh, that's nice. Cool. And I didn't know what it meant until I read chat, and I was like, oh. It's fucking dope, man. Hey, baby. Thank you so much. Love you.
Well, you're not going anywhere.
What are you talking about?
Say hi.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it did put me in a good mood. I was like, oh snap. 'Cause, he told me he would subscribe to me next whenever his Prime restarts. Bye, baby. Yeah. I think he only stopped by for like a couple minutes just to do that. I was like, oh, that's so nice. Yeah, he's a busy guy. He's a smart guy too. And that's great on the back end. Is it still with like the text to speech stuff, or is it different? Because I remember you saying you had like different projects going on. it's gonna be a size n. High minus low plus 1. And it's gonna be all zeros. And then for, I guess you can, undo that. N is equal to high minus low plus 1. And let's make this n0. Yep. And then for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So essentially, I'm going to create this vector of nums, and then nums I is going to equal to low plus I, right? So we're getting this range because we should have 4 numbers for 12 to 15, right? So that's what this is. 15 minus 12 plus 1 will get you 4. And then I make an array of four zeros, or a vector of 4 zeros. And then at integer 0, we do 12 plus 0, and that will be the first number. So 12 to 15 in that range. That's what I'm doing there. Yeah. Oh, deepfake. Oh, interesting. Where you can change the words and match it lip sync. Ah, so you're doing like your own like voiceovers in a sense, but for like to figure out the mouth words, or like the words to like say over people's speech. Ah, interesting. Okay, so that's what's happening there. And then we can do auto compares. We're gonna make a lambda, and we're gonna compare two values here. Right here. And then we're gonna do a sort of nums dot begin. It's just placeholders right now. Dot end. And then the comparator. Yeah. Also, I messed up a bit. Yeah. And then after all that, we return nums, and we do k minus 1 again because we want the second value. Yeah, so k minus 1. Yeah, so that's the general gist of it. So one thing we need to do is do we'll call it count steps, as you can say, and we're going to be given a number. Yeah, and then we're going to do int val. More like a podcast. If they mess up what they say, they could go back and edit. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. People can't tell. That's good. Well, I guess that's good and bad. There's some evil with that. There is some evil with that. There's always evil with things in life. If you can't tell if someone said something and can make them say anything, that's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. Yeah, so while yeah, while val is not equal to 1. Yeah, not equal to 1. Oh yeah. Oop. And it stops. It's equal to 0. In this case, if val, well, I guess we could do this. Val is equal to val modulus 2. Yeah, it's equal to 0. If it's even, we do val divided by 2. Right? And then if it's odd, we do 3 times val plus 1 if it's odd. That's what this is saying right here. This ternary, say val modulus 2 is equal to 0, aka is it even? If it's even, then we do this case, which is this guy. If it's odd, then we do this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oop. And then we just do steps plus plus. And by the end of it, we do return steps. Right. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, so now we have this guy. So then we do a steps. A steps is equal to count steps A, and then int b steps is equal to count steps b, and then if a steps is equal to b steps, return a less than b, because we want to do the ascending order amongst them if they're equal. And then if not, then we return a steps, because we're doing ascending order. So a steps is less than b steps. Yeah. And I think that's it. I think that's the whole thing. I might have some like small little errors, but we'll see. Oh. Ah. Oop. Undo. Undo. Uh-oh. Ah, yes. It can't find where it is. So let's just do... Let's just capture everything. I'm kind of lazy. Oh, let's go, guys. We did it. Wait. Oh, let's go, guys. We did it. Super inefficient, apparently. Super inefficient. Memory efficient, though. Super inefficient. Wonder why. I wonder if I do it again, if it will be better or worse. Oh, it's just a slow solution. I wonder what's faster. Yeah, because I did it kind of like in a sense brute force or whatever they told me to do. Oh, 122, right? Yeah. Yeah. So let's look at other people's solutions. Oh, interesting. Oh, yes. They memoized it. Oh, wow. Hmm. That's smart. Hmm. Yeah. Wait, was that my 5th question or my 4th question solved? I kind of forgot. Was that a 4 or 5? I think that was 5. Was that 5? I don't remember. I don't want to lie to y'all. Was that a 4, Jay Spiffy, or was that did I just switch it? I'm gonna say I saw 5. Memorization would help. Be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, and also I want to fill my water bottle. So I'll be right back. Okay. That's actually kind of cool, memoizing it. And that kind of makes sense. Okay, we can do a couple more, maybe. We'll see. That actually makes sense. If you see a same number again. Okay, let's try to memorize it. I actually didn't see how to memorize it, so let's... That's actually kind of tough to do. Because how would you memorize it? Actually, I should probably looked at it a little bit cleaner. Oh, it's just hash maps? Right. Okay, that makes sense then. Where's the hash map? Oh, there it is. For some reason I was thinking vector. Yeah. Do I get any interview questions outside of Leetcode and behavioral? Oh yeah. Yeah. Sometimes there's still programming questions, but it's not really Leetcode style. Or at least I wouldn't, or maybe it is Leetcode style still. Yeah, and then I also get like product design questions sometimes. I wouldn't call it system design, but it's like system design-esque. Okay, so let's memorize it then. Yeah. Okay, so we want to go. Oop. Oop. Oh, I should have recognized this was DP too, to like make it more efficient, but I didn't. That's unfortunate. So let's see, how do we DP this, right? I kind of saw the solution, but at the same time I didn't see the solution. Have you done interviews lately, Brent? Huh. I guess I would oh, I see. I'm not really sure how. It looks like I didn't even see the solution that clearly. I assume you would. Yeah, let's have a different one. So, excuse me, count. Count steps 2. Do this, right? If none, if num is equal to 1, you do something. You just return. Do you return 1? I guess you return 0, huh? And then if DP no, if DP does not equal to DP not N. The reason why I'm doing this is because I need to be better at DP problems. And even though I kind of already saw the solution, I totally forgot. It's kind of bad, to be honest. Let me rephrase that. It's really bad. And return. All right. So you return the number, the DP. Okay, and then if not, then we do. Okay, so okay, I kind of give up. I don't know how to do it. Oh. Oh man, I was so close. I should have kept at it. I'm kind of annoyed by myself now. Yeah, and then you check if it's even or odd. I should have. If none, modulus 2, 0. Probably need to do some DFS problems. Work on my recursive functions. Num times 3 plus 1. Yeah. I think that should work. Yep. do a test first, cause I probably butchered it. Right. And return DP none? Is that it? Oh, this is good. Oh. I got slower. I got slower. Oh man, I got slower, guys. Wonder why. I keep exiting out of it when I shouldn't exit out of it. Oh, hey, Jay Spiffy, you still there, mate? So what is this one? Oh, they returned it immediately. Well, I guess that makes sense. Does that really help that much? Would that? Would that help that much? No, it didn't help me. Oh well. Anyway, I got a worser solution. We love it. Okay, so let's do the next question. 1386. Yeah. Oh, there's pictures. So let's look at the question. Okay. There's 10 columns. Given the array containing the numbers of four person groups you can assign on the cinema seats. Oh wait, given the array reserved seats. Okay. Return the number of four-person groups you can assign on the cinema seats. A four-person group occupies four. Yep. Seats across an aisle. Does the IO matter or not? I'm confused on that. This question is confusing me. Okay, so we have 1 2 1 3, right? 1 8, and then 2 6 and 3 1, blah blah blah. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay, so they're on that bullshit. That's the way I would describe it. So we can only do this right here, this 2 to 5 right here, because we have 2 pairs. Excuse me. This would not work if we did 1 through 4. If we did 1 through 4, that would not be considered okay, because there's an exceptional case on which an IO split 4-person group. So this matters, and that's annoying. Just work solo, brother. So I think, okay, so I thought it was gonna be simple, but there's some annoyance to it. Oh wow. Oh, that's crazy. Oh wow, there has to be like a there has to be a systematic way of doing it. 1 reserve seats 10 times n. Okay. Interesting. So is CS50 a good course? Dude, I'm not sure. I heard good things. I heard some things about it. Is that the Harvard one? CS50. Yeah. Is that the Harvard one? Yeah, that's the Harvard one. They teach you like a lot of stuff. I don't know. What's your background? Because I think certain people would benefit from this probably. Yeah. I probably would have benefited from this. I probably still can, especially like this stuff. I would love to learn about like mobile app development. Oh wait, no, this costs money. Wait, do these cost money? I thought these were free. This is not free? If it costs money, and we'll say it's not worth it, bro. I don't want to earn it. I just want to... Because they used to do this for a free course. Or at least I thought. Wasn't this... Didn't this used to be a free course? CS50 free? I swore it was free. Am I crazy? Yeah, there's a register for free. I don't know if it's necessarily... Because I don't want to earn it. Yeah, audit course. Yeah, you could probably like learn a bit from auditing. Because what is... Oh, nice. I can see it being helpful if you can audit it. But yeah, I'm not too sure myself, mate. We'll keep it a buck. I don't know how to do this one. I feel like there should be like some optimal way of looking at it. Well, first you want to sort the reserved seats. Yeah, because it's not sorted. You want to sort them. I'm doing a lot of comparators lately. Bro, it's time to interview. I'm already good. I don't know if I'm good, but I've been taking a lot of L's in interviewing, I'll say. It feels like I say like one thing like not up to standards, and then they use that to just give me a rejection. It's quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate. At least that's how I feel. Not necessarily that's how it is. Cause I do feel like hey, hold on. Sometimes the interviewee doesn't do anything wrong. Okay. Sometimes they're just really good competition, and the company has their budget and they can only hire one person, or they only have a select few that they can hire, and I didn't make it to the top end candidates, right? So because you have to take it into other considerations as well. Something I've thought about. Yeah. P offer mine. One as N goes to infinity. Yeah. The probability of an offer occurring will happen the more times I interview. Hopefully that's the case. At least that's what I think you're saying. Oh, I got a question. No condom, Chris. What's your background again? You're using statistics on me. We'll keep it away. I don't know how to do it, but the first step would be definitely sorting this out. So you have 1, 2, yeah. Basically what this is showing you right now. That's basically what it's showing, because it's not guaranteed that they'll be sorted. This will go 1, 8, then 2, 1, then 2, 6. This is 1, 4, 3, 4, 6. Oh, 1, 4, 1, 7, and then 4, 3, 4, 6. Right? Because if it's empty, then you can add 2. That's for sure. But then you have to do some like weird checks, right? Because you can't do it here. There's some weird checks going on, and then you do some like comparison, right? But in terms of like looking at the reserved seats, I don't know how to determine exactly efficiently. I don't know how to determine like this, right? I personally don't know how to determine it. Oh, Brent, yeah, he's a brainiac. Yeah, he's a beast. Oh, you don't have a math background? It's just regular stuff from probability. Yeah. Is it only 3 columns? Yeah, kind of. I guess you can think of it 3 columns. There's one column that has 3 columns within it. There's one column with 4 columns in it, and then one column with 3 columns in it. The objective is to have a set of 4 come in. I wouldn't know how to continue on. But this case, so I was thinking of like just checking if there's like 4 available within here, but there's not. There's not at all. Or there is 4 available, but you can only split it 2 and 2. Yeah. Let's look at some hints. Yeah. No, you can only allocate at most 2 families in a row. Okay, that is something that I did notice. Thank you. The thing is, I don't know how to check that. I guess you have to check if 2 to 5 is taken. Then you can only do max 1. Ah. Them cheeky bastards. Oh wait, then there's this one though. Yeah, some weird checks. Casework? Yeah. To be honest, I'm kind of burned out right now. I might quit. I think I'm gonna take a little break. I'm trying to figure out how to like automate some of my like, how do I say, some of my video publishing process, my content creation process. So I might work on that. / take a little break, watch some anime. But yeah, we should probably. I think I have a couple viewers. Since I have 7, so I'm gonna try to like, how do I say, raid somebody. I usually only raid somebody if I have significant, quote unquote, significant amount of viewers. It's not really much raiding if it's just myself. That's just called viewing a channel. Oh man. Oh yeah. Someone else I forgot her name, her actual name. Is it Amber or something? I actually don't know. But anyway, we're gonna raid Ambivalent Bunny. She's super sweet, super nice. Oops. Oh yeah. Okay, I hope everyone has a lovely day. I only have 3 viewers. Oh, I have 6 viewers. I have 7 viewers. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, we'll raid. If it's 3, then I don't want to embarrass myself like that. But I am happy that everyone's here. I hope everyone has a lovely day. Okay, fine. I'll do 15 push-ups for you. I'll do 15 push-ups and then we can raid. You convinced me. No condom, Chris. Let's see, I'm pretty sure you can see from here. Yeah, you can probably see from here. Let's see. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. I guess I should have full screened it, but it's chill. Thanks for letting me work out in front of y'all. Anyway, have a great night, yeah. What was that? Have a great night, y'all. Peace out.